Hey everybody. Okay, so right now we're working on show you the section these grip features. Okay, so um, what I did was I created a plane past this outer side. So to do that, easy way to just to show the front plane, hit Control, click and drag, and then you can create another plane offset from it. I just did that. And then the sketch was just down here, but then you're going to offset your surface. You can just search surface offset, but it's in your surfaces. I did 1 millimeter in. I selected this surface, this, and this because it's all coming in to 1 millimeter. I think that was a little bit too much. You're going to use your calipers. Then, because this is a tricky one, so there's options for cut extrude where you're able to offset from surface. That doesn't work for this because that cut through goes down below. So we're actually going to use a surface to cut with. So what you need to do then is, I'll show you. Let's hide this. Hide. Oh, I gotta go up here. Hide this. Okay, so this is going past. I don't need to see this anymore. This is going past the front plane. We need it to end at the front plane. So what I did was after I offset, I surface trimmed this down so that this body, surface trim under surfaces, you can just search it up here. I used the front plane as the trim tool, and then I kept this side. So then it's right at that front plane, it's done. Then I created a surface plane. I opened up a sketch on the front plane. I converted over here, converted in this edge, and then I just drew a box going down here. And then in surfaces, I used the planar surface tool and then used that sketch to create a planar surface. And then I surface knit. So here, knit surface. I surface knit those all together so that there's no blue lines. And then I was able to cut extrude. I'll show you what this looks like. Edit sketch. So I used my image from the details picture here. Measurements, everything is parallel. I used a spline here. You can offset this edge up to this distance too, to make sure, and then these are all spaced equally apart. And it just goes down past because this wraps around. That's why you can't just use that offset from surface for the cut, or it would be a lot easier. But so I did that sketch, and then under features, cut extruded cut. So up to surface and then select that. That's all you have to do for the cut extrude. All right, and then hide this. It was not letting me mirror this feature over for some reason. Let's see if it'll work now. But you can see it's following along here. Let's try it. I'm going to select this feature. Let's do mirror. Mirror, it's on that front plane because it ended right at the front plane. It was cutting all the way through. Yeah, it did it again. Dang it. I don't know why. I'm not going to try and figure it out. So what I would do, hey, is I would mirror this. Let's see if I can mirror this over. Front. And then body is going to be show. I'm going to mirror that body over. Yep. Over here. So then what I would do is the old control drag, make sure I'm holding control and dragging. I'm just making sure that it's out past, it just needs to be out here. And then what I can do is this, I'm not opening a sketch, I'm hitting copy. I clicked on this sketch over here. I just did Control C, copy, and then plane 3, Control V, and then it will paste it right in the same place in that new plane. I didn't have to open a sketch. So it's located where it needs to be. Then I can show this body and then hope that it works. Hold on. It's undefined. I'm just going to leave it for now. Extrude cut. Up to surface. Click that. Oh, I did. Okay. Oh, it worked. Okay. I wasn't sure. Yay, it worked. Okay, so that's how you do that. A little jerry rig for that mirror not working.